Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: the email used for TNPSC registration, your mobile number, and the OTR ID or acknowledgement. Once done, log into the TNPSC one-time registration or candidate portal using those credentials so the system recognizes your profile. Make sure to choose a desktop browser for a stable session and disable VPNs that change location. This step verifies identity and surfaces your submitted applications. Doing it now saves repeated form filling later. After you're logged in, go straight to the My Applications or Applied Exams section to list entries linked to your OTR. Next, filter or search by exam name, type TNPSC Group 4 and the exam year or session to narrow results. Once the list appears, scan the table columns for application number, reference ID, and status. These are your identifiers. If multiple rows match, compare date of submission and the exact post applied to confirm the correct application number for future use and payment tracking. Finally, confirm the application number by taking a screenshot and writing it down. This ensures you have a fallback. Once done, double-check your registered email inbox and SMS for a TNPSC confirmation message that typically includes the same number. This cross-verifies the portal entry. If the application number is missing or the status is inconsistent, make sure to clear cache, retry login, and then contact the TNPSC help desk with your OTR, screenshot, and submission details. This combination speeds up resolution when systems lag or records don't display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.